Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 23rd, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the pound yen, I've been recommending longs the last few days because we did get a nice 50% fib bounce, and this move down looks extremely corrective. I think it's at least going to go up and make a double top. And yes, we're looking for the end of a wave B on the weekly, but this doesn't have to end here. I mean, the market could keep on trending up if it wants to. We need to, no matter what our analysis is, we need to do what the market tells us to do. And right now, it is definitely telling us to continue to look for longs on sort of time frames. So yesterday, I was recommending longs, and if you were following along with my videos, hopefully you got in at the end of this three-way pullback right there. That is a very, very, very nice three-way pullback. Very nice entry to go long. Now, unfortunately, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now, and for me personally, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short either. I am unfortunately the strategy right now is to already be long from here or maybe here or here on sort of time frames, waiting for an exit, or the strategy is to be patiently waiting for another three-way pullback to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. I have my Fibonacci retracement on here. The next big area of resistance is probably going to be the 78% Fibonacci retracement. If it makes a big double top right there and breaks structure to the downside, then I would start looking for shorts. But otherwise, nothing else is going to cause me to look for shorts except for seeing a breaker structure at a Fibonacci level. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.